Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your WordPress website to show or be translated to any other language totally for free using Google Translate. Let's get started. Go to the plugins, add new, write GTranslate, and choose the first option, Translate WordPress with GTranslate. Click Install, Activate, and it's activated. Very good. Good job. Let's go to the settings, GTranslate, and now we can choose some options. So we have the first option, widget look. You have a drop down with a bunch of options. How do you want the widget to look? You can see the current widget here. So you have flags and drop downs, drop down, flags with language names, flags with language code, language names, language codes, and globe and pop-up. Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to use a drop down, so you can basically choose any style you like. So it depends also on your website. It also depends on how your website looks. So choose carefully and think about the design. So I'm going to use the drop down. It's just the drop down, nothing special about it. You can also style it with custom CSS to make it better, but that's optional. Then we have some extra options for paid plans only. This tutorial is just for free use. So if you want tutorial for paid plans, let me know in the comments. So for paid plans only, you have two extra options. You have also extra options in GTranslate website. It basically connects your website with GTranslate. So you have more options if you are a premium user, but for this time we are going to use the free version. So if you have paid plans, then you can choose the subdirectory or subdomain as your domain structure. Then you have another option, it's for free plan, auto switch to browser language, which means if your browser, for example Google Chrome, is in French, visitor visits the website with this option on, website will automatically change the language to browser language. It's a nice option. I'm not going to use it now because my website is in English and browser is also in English, so it won't do anything. Then we can choose where to show the drop down. So I'm going to choose the primary menu. Then you can also show the floating language selector. So for example, if I choose bottom right, then this widget will appear fixed on the bottom right corner. I will set it to bottom right so you can see it. And then you have the last option, show native language names, which means it will show the language itself to its native language. We can leave it on. And then we can choose any language you want your website to translate from. I think I forgot to mention that you need to select this option, translate from English, and if your website is in English, you choose English. If your website is in French, you choose French, because it's translating from, and this is translating to. So if you want to translate your website from English to French, you choose French, or any other language. You can choose as many as you want. You can check all or uncheck all. Okay, and then we have some extra options in pure code. If you understand HTML, CSS or JavaScript, then you can use it. You can change some options, make it more customized. If not, then not. You can also use the shortcode if you need it, this one. And click Save Changes. If you have problems saving the changes, you can try this option. It will work. Okay, let's go back to tutorials. Let's refresh. Okay, and we will see In the menu, select language, English or French, and you have also a floating bar on the right bottom corner, also with the same options. So let's see. Let's try to translate the website to French. As you see, it automatically translates to French without any delay or anything, and it's totally free using Google Translate. We can also navigate between pages. It will automatically translate the website. As you see, it's very easy to use, and you can make any website use any language in the world as you want. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.